Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about a stock that I think that has the chance to double during the next month. And I have a technical and fundamental analysis, which is not trading advice, as you know. You need to do your own research. The stock is Vroom. Yesterday I saw 35,000 calls. It was a block of calls which will expire on May 20. The strike price was $2.5 and they bought a block, so it was I think only one institution who bought this block. Maybe, I don't know, it was an inside information about a buyout or maybe the financials that they will release or something, because the premium paid wasn't that low. It was $525,000, so $500,000 for this block of calls. And yesterday Vroom was the highest out of the money call option. As you can see, Vroom was $75.40 and dropped from that top to $1.62. The IPO was at $22 and it's now 97.76% cheaper than its top in 2020. We can see on this is on the 3-day time frame. On the 1 hour we can see a falling wedge, which is an extremely bullish pattern. It was $3.3 on March 30. They have earning calls on May 9 and the expiration date of the calls is May 20. I think it's only on 53.80 upside here, and I think that they can be in the money by that expiration date. The stock is oversold on all time frames, and my article about Vroom today is that I included a fundamental and a technical analysis. The calls were related to the first quarter earnings of May 9th, so they expire 11 days after the results. What should we expect from the earnings? Revenue growth. Last quarter their e-commerce revenue was 738 million, up 159% year over year, which is a lot. Gross profit was also up a lot, 64% year over year. And a strong financing business, because on February 1st, Vroom announced the successful completion of acquisition of United Auto Credit Corporation, a proven leader in automotive finance, for 300 million. If you think that now Vroom has a market cap of 235 million, then this is a strong buy signal in my opinion. Soon after the news above was released, on February 3rd, Bank of America set the price target for Vroom at $30, which is huge if you think that now the stock is only $1.62. So how come it is trading at 1.62? Well, 27% of the share float is shorted. Big institution owners like Vanguard, BlackRock, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan have average entries at $40. And many of them had recently averaged down their investment, like Goldman Sachs, which reported on February 17th an increase of 104% in their ownership in Vroom, respectively 1.7 million shares worth $18.9 million for a total ownership of 1.28% in the company. Their average is now $22.55. So if they are happy with a 22 average, how come we don't buy it at 1.62 and we want to get lower than $1? I think that this is the bottom today, or yesterday was at 1.58. Vroom has a price to book ratio of 0.24 now. A price to book ratio less than 1 means that the stock is trading at less than its book value and it's way undervalued. The price to sales ratio is only 0.07. By comparison, its rival Carvana has a price to sale of 1.16. So this should be very interesting when you make a decision about entering a trade or not. What is the price to book and what is the price to sales if you don't enter a profitable company which will have a price per earnings? Based on Q4 financials, if they liquidated their inventory, cash in all receivables and pay the 600 million senior note, each shareholder will receive approximately $6.5 per share. If we look at the hourly time frame, Vroom has a falling wedge, which is an extremely bullish pattern, and it's oversold. This is on the free day and this is on 1 day, 1 hour time frame. Institutional ownership in Vroom is strong, 92%. 52-week range is $1.58 to $48.80. The market cap is only 235 million, can be a buyout at this point because it's extremely cheap. And the revenue is 3.18 billion. I haven't seen for a long time such a discrepancy in market cap and total revenue. All things considered, the fundamental and technical analysis, I think that the 35k calls will be in the money, extremely profitable by the time of expiration. My short-term price target is $5.5 for Vroom, and I think it's so low right now because it's heavily shorted by the hedge funds, because they want to have a better average on their entry. I'm also looking to read your opinion about it. What do you think about this stock? What do you think about this block of 35,000 calls from one investor, maybe an insider? And if you want to check the option statistics app, you can find it with a discount included in the description of this video. My best stocks and crypto picks are in the Patreon page in the link below. Feel free to leave me a message on this video with your TradingView username if you want a 7-day trial for the indicators that I use. I think they are some of the best in the market. So if they help you make nice profits, then you can consider buying them. It's a one-time payment and include lifetime access and unlimited updates. They work even with a free TradingView account. But if you want to have a paid account with all those TradingView benefits, then you get $30 back if you register using the referral link below. Also make sure to check my Udemy courses about trading the financial markets, how to set up a trading bot, how to buy and transfer Bitcoin, how to use technical analysis and 100x leverage, and also altcoin review and price analysis. The most secure Bitcoin exchanges that I use have links in the description below. That being said, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more huge upside potential stocks. I wish you many profitable trades.